Good morning to all. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start the cloud computing and distributed system week 8 assignment 8, which due date is 19 March 2025. Okay guys, now let's start to solve the questions. You can see this is cloud computing and distributed system NPTEL, and last date is here mentioned, and in week 8 assignment 8 you can see there are near about 10 questions. Okay, and we will try to attempt the 10 question one by one. Let's start the first question here. The first question is asking about identify the correct Kafka commands of for the following. Okay, P statement is there. It is the distributed durable equivalent of a unique pipes used to connect and compose your large scale data applications. Second statement Q is there are the commands of your Unix pipelines used to transform data store in Kafka. So R, it is the input output redirections in your Unix pipeline. Use it to get your data into and out of Kafka. So 4 options are there. Out of 4 options, the most appropriate is we choose one option D. Okay, that is Kafka core. Then Q is Kafka stream and R is Kafka connect. Okay, so P statement is there, Q statement is there, and R statement. 3 statements there. We have to arrange this one by one. So let's start discussing these questions here. So what is Kafka core? Kafka core means it is the distributed durable equivalent of Unix pipes used to connect and compose large scale data applications. Okay. And in second options, Kafka stream is used to transform data. Okay. Kafka stream is used to transform data stored in a Kafka similar to Unix pipelines commands. And R is Kafka connect, that is used to input output redirections, getting data into and out of the Kafka. That's why we choose option D is the appropriate option. Now, moving to the question number 2. Question number 2 is asking about Kafka is run as a cluster comprised of one or more servers, each of which is called broker. Okay, each of which is called broker. So, in Apache Kafka, a cluster consists of one or more servers. Clusters means group of things or group of computers. A cluster consists of one or more server, each referred to as a broker, which manage the stores and distribution of messages across the partitions. Okay, so why we choose B option as incorrect? B mention chunk. What is chunk? Chunk A and B. A and B is incorrect because not Kafka terminology. We choose A and B is incorrect because not Kafka terminology. D is also incorrect because broker is the correct term. Okay, broker is the correct term. That's why we choose option C is broker. Now moving to the question number 3. Kafka maintains feeds of messages in categories called Kafka maintains feeds of messages in categories that is called topics. That is called topic. 3 option D topics. Topics means assuming topic was intended as its feeds contents to its OCR may have omitted it. Okay, means Kafka organizes messages into topics which are categorized or feeds that produced published to consume subscribe from you can see in the lectures. The OCR likely missed the topics as an option, but it is a standard term. It is a standard term. Why choose option A, B, C are incorrect? Because no such category in Kafka. No such category in Kafka. So in option D, note verify if topics was in the original. That's why we choose topic is the appropriate answer. Now moving to the question number 4. Each Kafka partition has one server which acts as a leader. Okay. So in Kafka, each partition has one server acting as a leader, responsible for handling all read and write requests for that partitions, while other servers act as a followers for replications. Okay, B you choose as incorrect. Why B is incorrect? Because followers replicate data but not lead. C is also incorrect because not a Kafka term, and D is also incorrect. Leader is defined. Okay. Next, so we choose option A is the appropriate option. Moving to the question number 5. Now, which type of processing Apache Spark can handle? Okay, which type of processing? That is stream processing can handle, batch processing handle, and graph processing handle. So you mentions all of the mentions. That is stream, batch, and graph. Okay, stream, batch, and graph. So you see, Apache Spark supports multiple processing types via its libraries. Stream processing, in stream processing, Spark streams for real-time data. In batch processing, Core Spark for large-scale batch jobs. In graph processing, GraphX for graph analytics. Okay. So D is the correct option, which encapsulates all. Okay. Which encapsulate all. That's why we choose D is the correct options. Now moving to the question number 6. Which is not the component of the top of Spark core? Not the component. That is Spark RDD. That is Spark RDD is not a component on the top of the Spark core. Why Spark RDD is not a component? Because Spark core is the foundation with a higher level components. Components like Spark String, mlib, and GraphicX built on top. RDD means resilient distributed dataset is the core data structure within the Spark core, not a separate component on the top. So A is also incorrect. A is also incorrect because these are the top level components. D is also incorrect because RDD is not a top component, and A is also incorrect. A and C also incorrect. These are top level components. So only you can choose option B, that is Spark RDD. Now, moving to the question number 7. In Spark, a dash is a read-only collection of objects partition across a set of machines that can be rebuilt if partition is lost. If a partition is lost, then resilient distributed data set is a read-only collection of object partitions. Okay, you choose 7 option B. You choose 7 option B. You know, an RDD is a Spark's fundamental data structures. A read-only distributed collections that fault tolerance, okay, reconstructible via lineages and partitions across nodes. You choose A is incorrect. A is incorrect because sparse streaming is a processing library. C is also incorrect because flat map is an operations, not a data structure. D is also incorrect because driver is the program coordinator. So only option B is there, that is resilient distributed dataset, RDD. Got it? Now moving to the question number 8. Dash is a distributed machine learning framework on the top Spark. It is a goal to make practical machine learning scalable and easy. Machine learning scalable and easy. mlib. Okay, mlib. Why we choose mlib? Mlib is a Spark scalable machine learning library designed for easy and efficient machine learning tasks. Okay, B is incorrect. Why choose B is incorrect? Because B focus on streaming. C is incorrect. C means graph X. Graph X is incorrect because graph X handles graph processing. D is means RDDS is also incorrect because RDD are a data structure, not machine learning framework. So only M, that is mlib, is a Spark scalable machine learning library designed for easy, efficient machine learning tasks. Okay, that's why we choose option A. Got it? Now moving to the question number 9. Which of the following is true about Apache Kappa? Which of the following is true? 4 options out of 4 options. Kappa is used to distribute commit to log to enable high throughput and fault tolerance. Enable high throughput and fault tolerance. Kafka is a distributed streaming platform that uses distributed commit log for message storage, ensuring high throughput and fault tolerance via replications. Here A is incorrect option because Kafka uses topics and partitions, not traditional queuing. C is also incorrect because Kafka is a messaging system, not a processing framework, though it supports processing via streamings. And D is also incorrect because Kafka supports configurable message retention. Okay, Kafka supports configurable message retention. That's why D is incorrect. So only option B, that is Kafka uses a distributed comment log to enable high throughput and fault tolerance, is the appropriate answer. 9 option B. Now moving to the last questions. In Apache Spark, which of the following is true about resilient distributed data set? Which of the following is true? The following is true, that is RDD are immutable and cannot be modified after creation. Got it? Got it? RDDs are immutable and cannot be modified after creation. Option A. Why we choose option A? Because RDD are immutable, meaning it means that once it created, they cannot be changed. Okay. Transformation create new RDD. But if you see other option, that is option B, what happens in option B? RDD are partitions and fault tolerance, reconstructible via lineage. Option C is also incorrect because Spark manages memory or storage automatically. Option D is also incorrect here because RDD supports batch and with streaming real-time processing. So we choose option A, that is here RDD are mutable and cannot be modified after creation. Okay, we successfully explained all the 10 questions with we opt the answers. Now I'm going to submit the answer. Okay, you can see guys, my answers, your answers are successfully submitted. Thanks for taking the week 8 assignment 8. Guys, from this, if you have any doubt, you can put your questions query in my YouTube comments box. I will try my best to give the answer of your questions. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. You can subscribe my channel for the next video of week 9 assignment 9 video. Okay, and all the best if you are going to appear the exams. Thank you for watching my video.